What's going on today, guys? So we are actually about to drive across the state to go buy a stock 350Z. This will actually be my brother's car. So let's check this thing out. Let's kind of document this trip. All right, so our total ETA was 2 hours and 11 minutes. So I mean, round trip, 4.5 hours or so. We just got on the freeway. Looks like an hour and 55 is what's remaining now. I'll be there about 10:30. Is your excitement still there?
It's still there. It's definitely still there. I'm just hoping this guy is as good as the guy says it is.
Yeah, me too, because I'm driving.
Right. We'll see.
I'm taking hours and hours out of my day, bro.
We'll see.
Right, we are back home. Finally get a little bit better of a walk around here. I guess I'm a little bit more in the sun too, but yeah, it really just needs a good cleaning. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm also gonna clean mine. I'm gonna clean the 370 just because I haven't cleaned this thing in a while and it's just super dusty and dirty, and yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, not good. So gonna go ahead and clean these things and then kind of do an after shot of what it's gonna look like. So after just a quick wash, this thing is so much better looking. The front end was peppered in bugs. I mean, it's still got some paint defects here, but I mean, really it doesn't look that bad. I think we should I think we should wrap this front piece right here, just the bottom, in either a white or a black, and then then it'll be pretty much spotless. Yeah, I mean, all around the car is so clean. Wheels are looking good.
Did I miss a wheel?
I don't know. It really doesn't get much better than this. I mean, this is really nice.
I think I missed a wheel.
Did you forget to clean a wheel?
I think so. I think I sprayed it and I just washed it off. I don't think I ever scrubbed it.
Oh, nice. What are you working on right now?
Peeling off these little Japanese decals that this last guy put on here, a little glittery.
Gonna get the last guy's stickers off.
Yeah, but so once we do that, headlights are coming off next.
Headlights next?
Headlights next.
Let's do it. We're gonna take both cars out on a little drive here. going to go in, get something to drink, maybe take some pictures. But man, it's windy tonight. Let me know which one y'all thinking. I mean, do we like the 370 more, or do we like the 350 more? I mean, obviously, you know, me personally, I've owned both, but I haven't owned a stock 350. I've driven one, but the 350 that I owned was Vortex Supercharged.
G rolling out.
Huh?
G rolling out.
Yeah?
See the scat over there?
Actually, I don't think that was a G. I think that was a Genesis. It
Oh,
Gen
was it?
Coupe. Yep, that's Gen Coupe.
Oh, never mind. I'm lying.
I was just asking, which one do we think is better, the 370 or the 350?
Well, obviously. Are you talking about like these individual ones?
No. As a car, and you know, in whole.
Oh,
like
for
I was saying, you know, I haven't owned a stock 350, but I have driven one. The 350 I had
That one
was
is like that one is like pretty much bone stock. So
yeah. You're gonna have to let me drive it.
Yeah.
I'll have to,
Bring out the gears, have fun.
Huh?
So bring out the gears, have fun on it.
Right.
No, 370 is definitely the better overall car. I mean, the new one was even built on the same chassis. Like this is like the perfect Z car. They took everything that was wrong with that one, a better engine, or I guess a bigger engine. You know, all the suspension stuff, everything that was. They had this one was good, but they took the bad stuff and improved on it and made it a lot better.
So I'll give you my take. If you're looking for a daily driver, 370 all day long. If you're looking for a budget daily driver, then maybe the 350. But
I say if you're looking for a project, go Project 350. It's cheaper. The DEs can actually handle more bottom end power than the 370 can.
that is not true at all.
I've heard that's what I've heard. I've heard
No.
people. I've heard people. I know they don't handle turbo boost that well, but I've seen a bunch of people turbo these over this. Plus, if that breaks, way easier to, way cheaper to fix than a 370.
So that part you're right about, but these can handle well over 700 on stock internals. Those can. Those are about 400. They're good to about 400.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I think we talked
budget
about that
daily,
the other day, yeah.
budget daily, or project car, the 350 all the way. Parts are a lot cheaper too.
Now and what I've seen, because of, these aren't necessarily new, but aftermarket support way bigger than this.
Yeah, you're not wrong. And anything you can think of that's been done has already been done
to that
car.
one. Yep. So
Yeah.
you don't have any problems trying to do anything on that one. True. But no, overall, this is definitely the better car. But the 350, it dominates its class. It's a 350Z, so it's not.
Yeah.
You're racing with other, small V6s and stuff like that. It's a nimble car, handles well. The Z chassis in general is just an awesome car. And like you said, anything that has ever been done to it, you can do.
Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. Man, hopefully you can hear me. It's really, really windy. We're right alongside the freeway. But that's it for today's video. You can think of anything that we should do to the car first. Let us know. I think he's thinking spacers first, right?
Yeah,
We're doing spacers first.
Yeah, I think I'm looking up the setup guide to see what people do. Probably do like a bigger spacer in the back and then like a smaller one in the front.
I agree. You got the Paul Walker look going on right now.
I came from
Long
work, so
hair,
I had to.
necklace, the white shirt.
You don't even wear a necklace, man. This is that Dom. Family.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check out his Insta.
Velocity Freak. Check it out. I'm going to be uploading more stuff on there too, and then hopefully with the YouTube too, so check it out.
Alright, later guys.